Hey guys, today we're going to be playing an anti-stress game. So basically this video is basically if you want to calm down right now, if you're stressed out, you can watch it, or you can just watch me do it for fun. It's like a bunch of fidget toys, except on the phone. Basically, I'm making this video for people who are subscribed that want to relax for a bit. Ooh, I like that. There's a whole bunch of different ones. See, where's the one that I liked? It was like, where you, see, there you squeeze the toothpaste. Let's see. So yeah, just stay watching the video, because there are some good, little games on here. I'm trying to find the one that I really liked. Well, here's one where you set a paper on fire. You burn a paper. Just continue watching, you won't regret it, I promise. I promise you won't regret it. See, here you shake your phone. Oh wait, no, this isn't the same one. Alright, start over. It's like a little piñata. Alright. See this, you just press them. Cool. Yes, I'm enjoying the game later. Where was that one? Oh, I like this one. You just air up a balloon. Alright. Where's that really good one? This one right here, guys. Yes, sir. Just keep grating it. You know, it reminds me of like a cheese grater, except it's not cheese. Pretty damn cool. Oh wait, I shouldn't have said that. This is a kid's channel. It's not that bad of a word. See, here you peel this thing off. That's pretty cool. Alright, oh, we're out? Oh, I could have sworn there was more before. This actually might be a different app than I originally had. This is supposed to be like a fidget cube simulation. Yeah, for those of you that just need to calm down today, my voice is probably really annoying, so it may not help. It's like a little joystick. And then there's that. Did I miss anything? No, I didn't. Oh shoot, there's an ad. Hold on, guys. Alright, no, I don't want to get that game. Okay, back. Let's see, and then here's a snow globe. You shake the phone. And then it like... You have to shake the phone. Let's see, I'm trying to find a really good one that you guys would like. Well, there's this one. For some odd reason, hold on, I gotta plug my phone in. Shoot, alright. For some odd reason, this reminds me of the game Splatoon. I have played it on my channel many times. I kinda am holding off on playing it. I might play it, like, sometime this week, actually. Now that I think about it. Alright. Anyway, no. There was this. Oh yeah, we already did that. Y'all ever seen these in real life? Those are pretty fun. And then these, you can arrange the colored pencils. It's kind of boring though. here is where you can move this. Guys, it's about to be springtime. Where I live, it's actually getting pretty hot out. Well, you could say hot outside. Not as hot as summer, but like, it's still hot. What's this? Oh, this is where you move your phone around. Now this one I really liked. Yeah, you like peel the corn off. I kind of played this so that you guys could relax today. Let's clean this stove. For those of you that like cleaning, you'll probably like this. Gotta clean that stove nice and good. Now, I won't be doing a video like this again, but I thought I would make a change. Unless you guys like these videos, just say so in the comments, and I will be sure to I'll be sure to make more of them. But ooh, look at that! Oh my gosh, that is amazing. All right, this was where you hammer in the nails. Alright. Oh, another ad. So sorry about that. Let's see what these are. Oh shoot. Pool? Yeah, not interested. What was a good one that I liked? Nah. Yeah. Good stress reliever. Let's see here. Dang, you're a little, so I guess you don't like being stretched. Well, in that case, he's screaming, but my volume is on low. So you probably can't hear it well. Let's see. Let me say something. Am I gay? Very doubtful. Oh, that's not true. Okay. I was kind of kidding and I was kind of not when I said that. Anyway. If you guys used to watch my videos, you know. And if you don't, that's good. Because I kind of regret posting it. What's this? To be honest, I don't know what that was. Let's see, a scale? I don't even understand that. Alright, the good old classic fidget spinner. Alright, let me think, what would you guys like? Tap the glass to scare them away. Here, eat up, fishies. JK, go away. Anyway, oh yeah, I'm supposed to find this one at the top right. I'm supposed to find that one. It's probably really hidden. Okay. Come on. Oh, found it. Wait, no, I didn't. I thought I did. Where are you? You can't hide for too long. Alright guys, this is taking too long anyway. Yeah, you know what that one was about. I'm supposed to mow the lawn. Nice. I actually don't think I've ever mowed a lawn before. Because that's not one of the chores that my dad has told me to do yet. My stepsister used to do it when she was like younger. I'm not gonna say, but you know. Bro, an ad. Alright, we're gonna play for just a little bit longer. That's silly. Ooh, what is this? Oh yeah, Christmas tree. Even though it's way past Christmas. Or not way, well, it's not too past, but at the same time, it's, you know, it's more near than past, actually. Never mind, I'm not making my own song. Let's see, which good one have we not done yet? We've already done that. Let's see. No, that one's lame. Painting nails, maybe? There. Okay, your nail has been painted. I hope you like it. Anyway, what is this bear? Wee! Wee! Yeah, you like being thrown? What about this? Oh, you like that too? Anyway. There's gotta be a good one that we haven't done. Ooh, I've actually never done this one before. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so what's next? Guys, I hope a notification doesn't pop up. Alright, well, that's it. Ooh, what's this? Oh. It's a vacuum, I think. Alright. A good one that we haven't done. Pretty. Killing a flower is so satisfying. What's this? I'm trying to pop them as fast as they come on the screen and it's not working. Ooh, a lava lamp. I have to shake my phone for this one. Alright. What's this? Yeah, that's right. Oh, a keyboard? LMAO. Alright, well, that is it for today's video. I just thought I would do some relaxing things for you guys that actually may like those videos. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.